What's up? Good morning, everyone. I was muted. I don't know why I keep muting. Watching for reject right here at this 560. Let's see if it happens. Welcome in, everyone. That was the area for the reject. Oh, that was quick. That was fast. If you caught it, trim, everyone. Anybody take the reject or no? Yeah, VWAP rejects, they don't give much confirmation. It's basically the touch. It's not my everyday thing, but that was a perfect scenario for it. The way it lined up with the trend on the lower time frame. Yeah, I just took one. I'm out of it completely, everyone. I just scalped it with one NQ short. Caught a massive pre-market. It's like at 4:30. I caught a trade this morning. So what's up, YouTube? How is everyone? Check this out. I hate how these charts are. Caught this trade this morning. Did all my Grizzology holders catch this? I know it was 4:30 a.m., but maybe the alert woke you up. Anybody catch the move up on the NQ?
Good morning, Team Ball.
What's up?
Grizzly, sup GD, sup Brando, sup everyone inside the team. What's up, Young Dead Man, Daily Young with his daily dance. Yes, sir, Rick C. Yahoo. Gold.
Sip some coffee while we wait on some setups. Careful with this price action, everyone. This is hard to deal with when you move like this. Get away from me quickly. I guess is the best way to put it.
And fantasy, damn. Well, my fantasy team's nice now that we got Mr. Christian McCaffrey back in the lineup.
I think it's too late for it.
Bro, I'm in second. What do you mean?
Is it back?
What?
Fantasy?
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it. Let's see.
Yeah, because I've been crushing you.
We're about to see.
Guys, you got anything to watch Chris Glock?
Not really. Not right here, at least. Market looks like it wants to rip up, honestly. No trades open though.
No trades open. Savage, young boys, you got anything on watch?
When did you get in second place? Is what I want to know. You was doing horrible.
Don't worry about it. Come back to it.
You're cheating somehow. Bro is the owner of the league.
Just so happened to get first pick.
Grizz, I was thinking the same thing. I checked that the first time in like 3 weeks. I beat Jay Dunn and now he's the top of the league.
It's ridiculous.
Gross. I've been cooking. Doesn't matter winning, baby. That's why. Only person on top of the league is Ghost. Ghost is like 8-3. Damn. And Nemo's good too.
We're talking about fantasy football.
Alright, let's find a dub today, boys and girls. Let's find ourselves a dub. I was hoping this move down that we saw pre-market, I was hoping we could catch on a reject to like 587, 588. Was my main level from this morning. Is a reject up there on SPY or ES for trading trade futures with QQQ. Like that 501-ish area. And our risk for upside is if we pass 503 to the upside. This one over dopamine. That's right.
I like the 5 and hourly DGC. Sorry, I've been talking to Team Bull a little here. How we doing, YouTube? How's everyone?
What's up, G? trying to find a winner, man.
For futures,
Yeah.
you haven't gone back to options.
Who's that talking?
My videographer here, Sirius, comes and hangs out in my office and works while I trade. You know, it's interesting. We actually have a bullish daily pattern on SPY and QQQ. The bullish Harami. That gap down, kind of. Through the loop. Bullish. Harami. So you see the big red candle on the daily SPY and QQQ. And there's an inside candle, open and close of the opposite color on the next day. It's classified for bullish. Harami. Why is my charts being all black? Not a bullish Harami. Yeah, I don't trade patterns like that, but it is textbook what it's supposed to look like.
What language are you speaking?
I was thinking the same thing, bro.
What an aggressive move back up. Jesus. Me too.
Waiting for news reminds me of when, especially because Russia and Ukraine have been back in the news pretty heavily with the conflict. It reminds me of when it first started. I still remember that when the market gapped down massively overnight when Russia invaded. Crazy. Yeah, right. Me too. Savage. Time really does fly, like looking back like that. Just even in the 4 years of doing this team bull, it's been just crazy looking back to all the changes in the market, the world.
Yeah, back then all you had to do was rip Tesla calls.
Yeah, wait for Dumpster to find a penny stock that was going to go like 80,000% in a day.
Yeah. I'll never forget the day he caught DWAC when it first.
That was people making a lot of money on that, dude, like a lot. Speaking of DWAC, look at DJT at the end of the day yesterday. Look at that 5-minute chart on DJT. Yesterday. Explosion. Game plan is still the same for me. On Spy for ES, on QQQ for energy. Looking for a reject and its previous highs. Or look for a lower high entry. I'll put longs on the table, calls on the table if we break above the opening gap spot.
Aggressive sell candle here on NQ. Bought it right back up. Interesting.
Yo, Brando, you here today, bro?
I think he's retired. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, retired. No more trading for me. Sorry, everyone. We were like 10 cents off my reject. I didn't see a reason to short.
You still holding those that swing, Brando?
No, I stopped out yesterday, like later in the day,
Oh.
near close.
What's up, YouTube? I don't really have any levels close. I'm just watching price action here. I'll let you all know if I take anything, okay?
Me and Greg got some shorts in the Elite Four.
Watching price action, volume. We'll see what we get. We could possibly watch pre-market low, push back down, possible bounce, but it's been a weird morning. Massive. Well, if you caught this trade this morning based off Grizzology, you know it's been a great morning, but had a massive sell-off then a massive rebound. So we'll see. Some wild price action this morning. Some aggressive 5-minute candles. No trade right now for me. John, I would take that $25 and save it. Just focus on learning, focus on generating active income while you learn high income skills. That's what I would do. I'm not the type of trader that, the get rich quick type. This is a long-term game for me. Generate income. I use the profits to long-term invest or generate more income. I'm here. Can you hear me, Luke? I'm liking shorts here, but I'm not taking it because this price action is the way it's wicking and moving. Stop us out before we can get the actual move. Do you need a paid trading view for Grisology? I don't think you have to have a paid, but you do have to pay for the data. Get your real-time data turned on. I'm not 100% sure on that because I have the paid version of TradingView. What was that? What's up, YouTube? You all have any more questions for me? I would be short right now if this price action wasn't so violent. Uh, Steve, this is Grisology. It charts the supply and demand for me, and it confirms. It shows you confirmation. It's based off my strategy. It's my personal, my custom indicator based off my strategy. Have you all noticed that the better trades have been coming like pre-market here early? Or is it just me? It seems like we've been getting the best continuation follow through pre-market lately. No, Matthew, I do not. Anytime you have the data candles like that, you don't want to take them. You can take the 5 minutes like before or after, but you don't want to take the hourly candle confirmations during big data, 8:30 a.m. data specifically, because a lot of times there's just too much risk in them, right? Even the point-wise risk. What are we looking at, Team Boy? Anybody watching anything?
Not a whole lot for me. What about you?
No, man, nothing. A little consolidation here. See what it does. Appreciate that, Big Zo. I will. Arthur, there's nothing wrong with that. One good trade is all we need. No, I'm not trusting this right now, so I'm gonna be patient, everyone, on this. See what we do. We're consolidating here. We gotta see which way we go.
You seen the game like Crazy Glow?
No, I don't.
Crazy Glow?
Seems like a lot of the good moves have been happening pre-market. The ones that actually haven't even followed through and respect technicals. Definitely nothing I'm interested in trading. Please do not trade this chop, everyone. Ah, excuse me.
What's going on, everybody?
Well, Jaden, I followed your plan this morning from the live. Full ported puts, and here we are.
Yeah.
That's a joke, everyone. Don't go buy puts. We're about to see an aggressive move. I just don't know which way it's going to be. The way we're consolidating, it's about to be a we squeeze in Brandon.
Nah, we're just sitting between two of my zones. I like how we look on the 5 minute. It looks bullish, but higher time frames are bearish to me.
YouTube, it might be a good day to call it. Hopefully everyone is subscribed to Grizzology and caught this, but maybe a good day just to sit on your hands. We'll set some alerts at our levels or zones. When the alerts trigger, we'll come back. That way, we're not sitting here and just like, okay, I got to trade. I want to force a trade. I want to do this. No boredom trading. Set your alarms, your alerts, whatever, and come back when it confirms or when it's closer to time to take the trade. Good trading is not always trading every day or catching a trade once the market opens. I had the one good trade. Then I caught a scalp on the VWAP reject. I told you all. So I may hop on live later today if we get some more levels. That cool with you all? Go back live if we get closer to my zones. $5843 is the support on SPX for me. 5843. All right, peace everyone.